I have my experiment here all ready to go. I have my no-name brand vinegar. I've used my measuring cup to measure 100 milliliters into each of my 4 glasses. I am then going to add Arm& Hammer baking soda into each of my 4 glasses. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon to the first glass, 2 teaspoons to the second glass, 3 teaspoons to the third glass, and 4 teaspoons to the fourth glass. I am going to use my watch to measure how long it takes for the bubble to stop bubbling in each of my 4 glasses, and then I'll record my results in my lab notebook here. So, what are my variables? What is my manipulator variable? What is the one thing that I'm changing in each of the 4 glasses? What's my responding variable? What am I measuring here in this experiment? And probably most importantly, what are all my control variables? There are more than one control variables in this experiment, and it's important to hold all those control variables the same in each of the 4 glasses. So take a moment now, stop the video, and record your answers.